Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to make caramel sauce.
Pearldrops cakes.
Welcome back. So for the recipe for this caramel sauce, I'll drop it in the description box below. Be sure to check it out so that you know the appropriate amount of ingredients I used for this caramel sauce. So let's go ahead. So from the video you can see that I had already put my saucepan on the fire and I added sugar. Okay, so you keep stirring the sugar from time to time. Do not allow it to get burnt, and please prepare this over a low heat. So keep stirring the sugar until it's completely melted. For this recipe, we are preparing this caramel sauce on a budget. So we are not buying heavy cream. We're going to make heavy cream ourselves. All right. So continue turning the sugar till it's all and completely melted. All right. Just keep stirring. Make sure it doesn't the sides, the sugar doesn't come to the sides of the pan, so that it won't form it, so that the sugar will not crystallize. All right, so from the look of things you can see that it's completely melted. So this is our heavy cream. All right, it's just milk and melted butter. Okay, so you just put your milk over the fire, and then you start adding your butter, like you melt your butter in it. That's your heavy cream. I will give you the recipe for the heavy cream in the description box. All right, so the next thing is to start adding the heavy cream we made into the melted sugar. All right, so and keep stirring. Please stir very well so that it will mix together and it will be well combined. Right, so like I said, stir very well. All right, so that both ingredients will mix together very well. So look at it boiling. If you check the consistency, please, if the consistency has gotten to this stage you want, do not add more heavy cream. Okay, so when we are done with the heavy cream, you add your butter to the mixture. Okay, and keep stirring. Add your butter and stir, add your butter and stir. So that's what I am doing right now. So stir till everything is well combined. Okay, and that's basically it. It's not difficult to make. Okay, you just watch what when you're melting your sugar, just be careful it doesn't get burnt. That's all. So that is it, guys. Just continue stirring till everything is well melted. As you can see, it is melted, and when you leave it out for some time, if it gets cooler, it becomes thicker. Okay, since it contains sugar. So also add salt. We forgot to add your flavor and your salt. Okay, so I'm adding flavor. I added flavor and my salt, just a pinch of salt. So we are done with the preparation. So it's just for us to allow it to cool down a little bit. When it cools down, it thickens. Okay, all right, so thank you guys for watching. Bye. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.